Well, it's my joy and honor to share again at the National Qigong Association in one of our wonderful online community gatherings. Of course, I'd rather we're all together at the conference, but these beautiful monthly experiences are great. And I have the opportunity now to share about a very critical component of Qigong that often gets overlooked. And this is what we call Yi. We think of Qigong as a three-legged stool, so to speak, and there's the breathing part and the movement parts that we so love, the various forms, but we forget about the Yi, and it usually gets relegated to simply, well, this is what the mind does, or this is creative visualization. Many things I've said over the 30 plus years of teaching Qigong, but as I've delved into this over the decades and I've done my etymological work on the character Yi, Y-I, and I've thought about it, meditated on it, and understood and tried to read the old books, read the old documents, what was the essence of Yi? This now becomes the most important part of Qigong to me. It's why the Neigong or meditative parts of Qigong are so effective. And we're going to go over that in our session together, do some exercises, some moving exercises that help to activate Qi through Yi, through that sort of bringing Qi to mind aspect of our Qigong practice. There are movements that can help trigger this as we activate Qi through certain movements, from the organ cleansing, from Wuji Hundun, and a couple of other kind of forms I've learned over the years. There's also some critical shifts that need to take place in the way we think, our belief system about Qigong, and we're going to go into that as well. So it may challenge you in some ways because you may think a different way. My goal is to share a perspective that I feel is very empowering and gets us to go deeper in our practice. The goal here is to activate Qi at the highest level. This is what I call the Qi effect. In my recent book, for those of you who've read it, you can see that I care about how our practice can be taken to the next level, taken to a place where we are really efficient in our breathing, movement, and activating Qi through Yi, through our mental capabilities. So I look forward to sharing that with you. And thanks for taking the time to be part of that community gathering so we can explore this together. There'll be a lot of questions and dialogue as well, because for me, I'm always learning. So let's learn together. Peace.